With its ability to learn, solve problems, and recognize patterns at a velocity and scale no human will ever match, artificial intelligence is poised to reshape how buildings are designed, built, and operated. And 2023 will be the year it takes hold. Turner Construction's Chief Innovation Officer James Barrett says that artificial intelligence will transform our industry in the next 10 years more than any other technology did in the past 100 years. He adds that it's going to be huge because it has such broad application in so many cases. It's not a question of if, it's a question of when. AI and machine learning that uses algorithms to learn from data without human programming have been bubbling under the surface of construction operations for a few years now. But this year, Barrett predicted the growth curve is going to turn up really fast. Combining the power of intelligent machines with human ingenuity, AI is the digital brain that makes industry-changing technologies such as robotics, blockchain, and 3D printing possible. With its superpowers in modeling and pattern detection as well as prediction and optimization, AI can reduce expensive errors and worksite injuries, train and eventually replace increasingly scarce workers, enhance sustainability and circularity, design, maintain and operate buildings, and clean up and give transparency to the supply chain. And just as OpenAI's headline-grabbing ChatGPT can now deliver AI's vast knowledge within seconds to anyone who can ask a question, AI can quickly and efficiently solve problems that have plagued construction for centuries without the need of a department staffed with MIT and Stanford educated pros to crack its code. AI is becoming easier to use, opening up for everyone from designers to job site crews. In 2022, according to Peak's Decision Intelligence Maturity Index, 92% of construction companies say that they were using or intend to use AI. But in construction sector in 2022, only 65% of construction companies' AI projects have been successful, which was the lowest percentage among all the industries surveyed. In an industry that's never been known for welcoming change, technological resistance is certainly a factor in lagging AI adoption. But the biggest obstacle construction companies face both individually and collectively, is getting to handle on their data. The reason behind that is collecting and managing data in a dynamic and complex industry like construction is more challenging than it is in controlled environments like manufacturing and automotive. As per experts, construction is a bit behind in terms of AI adoption, but they are optimistic that we are moving in the right direction. Another reason behind poor data management in the construction industry is that most of the industry's data lives in silos owned by many different entities who are hesitant to share it because of competitive concerns, and the industry hasn't been collecting a lot of historical data necessary to make modeling and prediction more precise. The experts believe that we are not going to get there by magic. We need to take data from job sites in a way that we can actually make use out of it. And the key for success in this regard is sharing the data between different construction companies and different entities who are involved in the construction industry. The data any construction company collects as a single entity is not enough to get a valuable outcome. But if we, as an industry, can collaborate and collect data, process it, and then share the anonymized outcome back to the industry, we will have the data we need for healthy, valuable machine learning processes that can provide benchmarking and can predict the outcomes of specific scenarios.